Hi, and welcome to today's new home tour. This is a 2-bedroom floor plan with a den, 2 bathrooms, and a 3-car tandem garage. This model has a great price and is located just on the north end of the city of Prescott. So let's go ahead and take a look, and stay tuned to the end. I'll give you all the details and how to find out more. Currently priced at $525,900, this home offers a ton of features, finishes, and some quick move-ins available. So if you're ready to make a move, comment below for details.